Hello, everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will provide you with information on how to make a campfire. Cut from the marked spot with a hobby knife. Sand the cut area. Prepare one more of the same. Drill a hole in the exact center of the second piece. Take a string and cut this string to a length of 10 centimeters. Use a cotton string for better liquid absorption. We've reached the end of another video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like the videos for more content like this. Goodbye.